She done bleached the knots.
I'm ashy as fuck. But it's because I was shampooing the wig. No, bleach really good. The lace really thin. And it's really full.
Yeah, this hair full as fuck, y'all. Like
from the tip to the all the way to, it ain't thin on the ends. It's really pretty.
And it's real soft and cute, y'all. So we gonna see.
Period.
And this what all came in the bag, y'all. So they sent me a wig hair. They are too dark, but just the thought they count. We got a bunny. Got the little edge brush. Some lashes. So we finna get into this install.
Ain't no fucking way.
Ken's starting to regret this shit.
Like, what the fuck? Your hair is beautiful. God, I see what you do for others. Look at your lashes, so cute.
That cute.
Your baby's so cute.
But yeah, y'all, we finna goddamn get into it. I'm gonna speed it up or come back when it's braided. And
3 damn hours later.
we gonna insert, I'm gonna insert a clip of our KENDOLL stuff. Make sure y'all go ahead and follow her before y'all get into this video. All that. So yeah. One hour later.
7. Or like 7.
But y'all, she done got my shit back.
Slick back.
And that shit didn't hurt. Don't motherfucking play
It
with
didn't
her.
hurt.
It be hurting a little bit when it gets to like the front.
Mm-hmm.
But right after you get past that hoe, these hoes neat as fuck. Don't motherfucking play.
Bitch, that shit. Oh my god.
We finna get these edges down. Then we gonna put the cap on. Alright, y'all. We got the cap on. Finna put the wig on.
Yeah, that motherfucker giving.
Y'all see what's going on.
Okay, hold this out. You can just hold it like that, though.
Y'all, this lace.
Okay, hold this out.
This motherfucking lace. This shit good. Y'all see what it's giving.
Yeah, that's really good lace. Like, yeah. Shop. What they call?
Wet kiss.
Wet kiss.
And another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and reality. Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy.
But I did on this shit,
right,
bro.
cause I did it. What?
This shit giving motherfucking.
Cause I did it. Look at my ugly.
Lace wear.
Cause I did a reel for makeup and it got like 300 likes. And I didn't even use no hashtags. Got the need to send me some free pants.
Sponsor this video.
Which I already spent for the pants.
Oh, what that is that you just heard?
Why smooth it?
Yeah, hold on.
Side by side, you can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Boy, y'all, I'm probably finna get these folks so many sales.
No, for real though.
But
That's some good ass hair.
I'm a little jealous because this shit feel better than my fucking shit. This shit feel better than my motherfucking hair.
Buddy, with the fucking scalp. Before the baby hairs.
Before the motherfucking baby hairs, like.
You already like.
No motherfucking makeup, nothing, y'all.
It's so quiet, but I hear you. Say it to me, baby. Said our time, we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me, waking up. Now you never said I couldn't you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? What is what we have in the past? Take you there. Show you something, give you more than what
How are you gonna do that?
I was gonna toss it over like this way. I'm gonna just leave this one. I ain't gonna do no like hard part like with the concealer and spray because I know you probably want to send me
Yeah.
Wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat, leave no one else.
I'm gonna be like, yeah, we hot this time. Okay.
Damn, you got some black I can put on my eyebrow?
No. I got brown, dark brown. I got some mascara though. You can tell your hair ain't that color though. No, I can't flip this out. Yeah, send us all the wigs, cause we gonna keep. I should have did the real more detail.